If you're stuck in what seems to be an endless cycle of horrible bosses and jobs that you hate, then you're in the right place. If you ever wondered how to become an entrepreneur after drug addiction, then I'm here to answer that for you. All this and more in today's video. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Hayes and I'm a recovering addict turned entrepreneur. And in this video, I'm going to reveal to you how to become an entrepreneur after drug addiction and how you can still have success and financial freedom regardless of your background, race, gender, or religious beliefs. I'm also going to reveal to you how to maintain the right mindset for success in entrepreneurship and some simple strategies that will help you to have more confidence in yourself. And if you ever wondered how people come from having nothing to seemingly have success overnight, it's because of a few techniques that anyone can master, even you, and I'm going to share that with you today. Finally, have you ever asked yourself or wondered how you can start a business with virtually zero investment and at the same time still have possibilities to have massive success? Good, because I'm going to share with you two industries that have all those qualities. I also have a killer strategy that I want to share with you about how to have massive success in these industries, but only if you stick around until the end. Ready? Let's dive in. So how do we become an entrepreneur after drug addiction? When I first decided to become an entrepreneur, I had no idea what I wanted to do. But what I did know is I did not want to have to ask my boss anytime I wanted to do something with my family for a day off. I didn't want to have someone telling me what to do, and I wanted to have the time and financial freedom to support my family and raise my child. I knew this wasn't going to be easy, but I also knew I couldn't give up because I knew I had to be a success for my family. So I started studying. I first looked into mindset techniques, and I found a guy called Bob Proctor. Now, I truly believe that he's saved my life. I was probably a couple days in watching his videos. He said, in order to have success and to be able to be motivated and work hard on what you do every day, you have to love what you do. And you have to figure out what your purpose is. So what I want you to do, and this might not be an overnight thing, and I don't want you to take it lightly. I want you to take a pen and paper and just write down all the things that you love to do. Don't think about if you can make money with the thing or not, but just figure out what you love to do, and it doesn't matter how long it takes you to do it. And if you want to, you could sit in a favorite chair or be around your family or be around loved ones, or you could be totally secluded, maybe sit out under your favorite tree. Finding your purpose is the most important thing because it's helped me stay motivated, and I absolutely love doing what I'm doing. And it's like I have unlimited energy because I'm excited when I wake up in the morning. It's the first thing I think about, and I want you to have that success too. So find out what your purpose is and what you love. Once you figure out what your purpose is, I want you to figure out a way that you can teach people or show other people how to do what you love doing. Part of the reason why I love my job so much is because I know how much it makes me feel good and other people feel good when they can learn how to do something to be successful, and I want people to have the feeling of success that I have. So whatever it is you love to do, I want you to teach people how to do it. I want you to start a YouTube channel, a blog, or a podcast, or a TikTok channel, or an Instagram Reels channel, whatever it is. I want you to start that, and I want you to start teaching other people what you love to do. And pretty soon, you're going to appear to be an expert in your niche once you gain authority by consistently posting videos. Now, I recommend that you consistently post so your audience starts to know, like, and trust you. This will help you grow a following very quickly and also become an authority figure in your niche. Guys, right now I want you to comment down below and tell me what you found out that your purpose was and what you plan on starting, either a podcast, a YouTube channel, or a blog. Alright, so how do we maintain the right mindset to have success as an entrepreneur? When I first started out as an entrepreneur, I don't think there's anything that helped me more besides awakening my awareness and studying mindset techniques. This is what's going to set you up for success. If you can keep the right mind, you can have everything that you want and attract everything that you want. Now, the first step is I want you to figure out what your type C goal is. Now, there's three types of goals: type A, type B, type C. Now, a type A goal is something that you already have done before. Like, for example, if you got the iPhone 12 and if your goal is to get the iPhone iPhone 13, that goal's not going to get you very far. Now, a type B goal is something that you think you can do. So for example, if you have an associate's degree, but you want to get a bachelor's degree, or you already have a position at a certain company, but you want to get a promotion, that's something that you think you can do. Now, a type C goal is something that seems unattainable and that you don't know how you're going to get there yet. And I want you to tie that in with your purpose. And I want you to remember, you don't have to know how you're going to get there. You just got to know that you are going to get there. Once you believe that you can do it, you're going to attract everything that you need in order to achieve this goal. Now, I know what you're thinking, can it really be that easy? So when I started doing this, again, I was watching Bob Proctor, and he said that when he first started this process, somebody believed in him. He didn't believe in himself, but he believed that that person believed in him. And just like that, I want you to know that I believe in you. Just trust in me that I know that you're capable of doing it. Because I want you to know, when I decided to trust him, that he knew that I was going to do it, is when everything changed for me. I didn't quit my job overnight, but the job I was working at was a gas station. And then suddenly I had people coming into the gas station offering me better jobs. I doubled my income within 60 days of doing this. And then I started finding everything about network marketing and affiliate marketing and being an entrepreneur. Everything that I wanted or needed started coming into my life like unadulterated magic. And I want that to happen to you too. And I believe that it can. Just follow these simple steps. First, I want you to figure out what your type C goal is. What is your huge goal? The goal that you don't know how to do, the goal that you've never done and you don't know how you're going to get there. What is that goal? And then I want you to write it down on an index card and carry that around in your pocket. And when you write it in the present tense. Say, I'm so happy and grateful now that, whatever your goal is. Then every morning when you wake up, I want you to recite this goal in the mirror and also look at yourself and say, I am strong, I am confident, I am wise, I am powerful. Then at least once a day, but I recommend doing it at least in the morning and before you go to sleep, I want you to visualize this goal as if it already happened. What are all the things that you can do and will do once this goal is achieved? I want you to visualize those things. Do it in a quiet area where you're not going to be bothered. Once I started doing those things is when my life really changed for the better. I was depressed. I was not feeling hopeful. I was feeling like a failure. And when I started doing this, all that changed. Then every day, I want you to write down 10 things that you're grateful for. I don't care if it's grateful you found a matching pair of socks, grateful that you had a cup of coffee, grateful that you saw your kids in the morning, whatever it is, write down 10 things that you're grateful for every day. And it's very important that you do all of these if you want to see a change. And I want you to just put your faith in me and in yourself that I know that this is going to work for you. I also want you to start training your mind to find the good in every situation, no matter how bad it is. Whenever you hear yourself thinking a negative thought, and after you watch this, I guarantee you're going to start picking up on it. If you say, oh man, can't believe I have to go to work, change that to I get to go to work. Flip every negative into a positive. Even if you don't really believe it, just do it and you will start believing it. Alright guys, if you liked the video so far, I want you to do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. If you want to keep seeing videos like this, please hit that subscribe and show your support. What are the two industries that cost virtually $0 to start up? Well guys, that's network marketing and affiliate marketing. They cost me $0 pretty much and zero overhead, and you don't have to create a product or anything. Now I got into these industries from my mentor, Bob Proctor. I was wondering what industry I wanted to start in or what I was going to do to make money as an entrepreneur. That's when I learned about network marketing. In one of his videos, he had said the best industry to get into if you're starting from zero, which is what I was doing. I attracted the right information. I attracted what I needed to start. And like I said about the attraction, as long as you have faith, you'll get everything that you need. So I started studying and I started having success, and I believe you can have success in these industries too. And if you watch my other videos, I explain about my MLM and affiliate marketing ecosystem that I want you to learn more about, so please watch my other videos. So if you're ready to become an entrepreneur and finally want to be your own boss and start having control of your time, then I want you to click the link in the description below. I want to give you instant access to a strategy that will fast track you in the two industries that I mentioned earlier. I'm also providing a link in the description that will help you implement this strategy. It's another video I recorded. Please watch those and download to get instant access now. Thank you for watching everyone, and God bless.